Hello, today I'm going to show you how to charge your Apple Watch featuring Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen. So, you need a charger that was in a box or an aftermarket charger, and this is going to work the same with an original charger, Apple charger from the Apple Watch. That it is like this is working with an aftermarket charger. Here I have an aftermarket charger, so you just need to plug this charger, and the same with an Apple charger, to a power source via USB-C cable to your power source wall charger that is plugged in your wall, and just place it on the charger like this, and this is going to stay by magnetic, and as you can see, the Apple Watch is now charging. Now the charging has stopped, and now it is charging. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit the like. Bye.